Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you iPhone X or iPhone 10, how to do the hard reset or factory setting. Sometimes your phone gets stuck and it's non-functional. This is the best way to do it. Let's get started. Turn your phone on, scroll up. I'm going to enter my password. Then we're going to go on setting. If you have any photos and data on your phone, please back up before doing it, because once you reset, it will erase all the contents. This is really important. If you are signed in your iCloud, please sign off. Scroll up and we're going to go Journal. Under Journal, we're going to scroll up again and it says Reset. Press Erase all content and setting. It will ask you to confirm your password. Another notification, erase iPhone, yes. One more time. And it will start erasing the iPhone and it will bring back to the original setting. Please do not turn it off, it will take its own time. Once that cycle finishes, it starts to the second loop and this will take time and it will be a couple minutes. So be patient. It's all done. We are on to the welcome screen, and for the video purposes I'm going to skip through. So we are on welcome to iPhone, and that's it. And that's how it's easy to reset your iPhone X or iPhone 10 to factory setting. If you like this video, please like, thumbs up this video, and I'm going to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.